All right. Crazy. State of Georgia versus Jeffrey Williams. Motion to amend sentence. Ooh-wee. Check it out. Comes down, Mr. Jeffrey Williams, by and through undersigned counsel, hereby files this motion to amend sentence. In support of this motion to amend sentence, Mr. Williams shows as follows. On or about October 31st, 2024, Mr. Williams tendered a non-negotiated nolo contendere plea deal, and this honorable court sends Mr. Williams to probation with special conditions of some which include, but is not limited to, banishment from the Metro Atlanta area for the first 10 years of probation. 2. On or about November 8, 2024, this honorable court entered an amended sentence sheet to further define Metro Atlanta as defined by the United States Census Bureau. 3. Mr. Williams files under seal contemporaneously with the filing of this motion the city for which one of his homes is located, which is a few miles to the most extreme border of the definition of Metro Atlanta as memorialized in the amended sentencing sheet. Mr. Williams has family in the Metro Atlanta area, specifically in Atlanta, Georgia area, and respectfully requests the ability to reside/visit at times in his home located in the city in the attached under seal document so that he can have family gatherings for holidays and other lawful reasons with his family, friends, and business associates, which is a home already owned by Mr. Williams. On Thursday, December 5th, 2024, Fulton County Chief Probation Officer Darima Whitrack advised via email that she has no objection to modifying Mr. Williams' sentence as proposed above. Moreover, on Thursday, December 5th, 2024, undersigned counsel, specifically Brian Steele, spoke with the Honorable Chief Probation Officer Kari Mock, who explained that she is required by Florida law to reveal Mr. Williams' residence on a public website unless this honorable court enters an order restricting same. For safety/privacy concerns, Mr. Williams respectfully requests this honorable court to enter an order sealing his Florida address based upon Mr. Williams' status as a known public figure. Chief Probation Officer Mock stated to undersigned counsel on Thursday, December 5th, 2024, that she has no objection to the request. Wherefore, Mr. Williams respectfully requests a hearing on this motion. At the conclusion of same, asks this honorable court to grant the above requested relief. The Steele Law Firm, PC 1800, Peachtree Northwest, Suite 300, Atlanta, Georgia. Respectfully submitted, Brian Steele. This, the 5th day of December, 2024.
Yeah, so Thug basically trying to get back home. But not all the way home because he lives in the outskirts of Atlanta in his house, like majority of cats do anyways. They stay in like Alpharetta and Marietta and all these other places outside of Atlanta. So that's like being in LA, staying in Beverly Hills and all that crap. So I get why he wants to come. And in my heart of hearts, and I probably end up saying this in the end, I think too, bruh, his kids, that camaraderie that his family got while he was gone, I'm pretty sure when Thug got out, he wasn't able to see everybody that he wanted to. And if you ain't able to see the people that you love, man, they still got lives to live. They're still fighting. Like, bruh, from what I was told, can't reveal who told me, but there's speculation that the DA's office ain't letting go of nothing until this whole entire thing is resolved. That means with the other YSL defendants. So they may have to wait until basically September of next year because they still got to do jury selection. And some people may want to be on the jury now, depending on what the jurors are making. I don't know. I do know, but I won't disclose that information. But basically, bro, hell nah. I don't know what's so important about home except for that you feel home. And that's not a negative thing or anything like that. But I'm just telling y'all, in my heart of hearts, I just believe that home is home. And you definitely want to be there. So I just think, man, he misses people. He didn't get to see everybody. And ultimately, yeah, bruh, let me go ahead and be with my people. Let my kids go ahead and be around their aunties and uncles and grandma and grandpa and all that stuff. Because what if Thug, when he went to Miami, and I don't know this, I don't know this. I'm not speaking from firsthand information or anything like this, but what if Thug had to leave his youngins just so he didn't disrupt their school year? You feel what I'm saying? Or what if he had to take his youngins and now they got to do a whole new school year and learn about other people and all this stuff and everything like that. Kids got a powerful way, and I don't care if you don't have kids, then please just shut the F up on this. Your kids' pain can be felt. Your kids' emotions can be felt to the point where you just want to make sure that you're doing the right thing. And sometimes the right thing will require a lot of sacrifice and for you to give up stuff like being in Miami. So there's that. There's the regret that Keith Adams said that he basically might regret coming back home. I mean, taking the plea deal, not taking it all the way to verdict. First off, your song.
20 verse 3 tomorrow. Psych, I'm lying. 40 verse 3. 10-17, Tim the Dunn. I am T.O. Green and me. And if you ain't already been booked to come tomorrow, get that Seti Nash, Angel to Publish. Get that 10-17 Tim. Get that I am T.O. Green. Get that them right now. Drop your comment. We're going to come on your page, DM you the location where to pull up to. We got security, we got done, we got everything, and we going up. And after we done with the 40 verse 3, maybe we're going to 656. Hookers on me all night. Hookah, whatever you call the thing, the smoking thing. And done Julio on me all night. You know, I keep bottles in my car. So get that Seti Nash right now. Get that Angel to Publish right now. 10-17 Tim. Get that I am T.O. Green right now. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to go up. Yeah, if you want to be in the 20 verse 1, come. If you got energy, bring it. If you're pretty, bring it. If you got ugly feet, stay your ugly feet has at home.
And I'm about to host this, so you know it's going up. But let's get to the content. Sorry I had to do that to y'all. It was called Take It to Trial. It wasn't called Take It to Verdict. So there's that part. Added with, bro, we don't know if the jurors could have been convinced of something else. We just don't know. So, man, what you do know is you out now. What you do know is that you're not found of being in a gang conspiracy, regardless of what them idiots say who didn't even read the paperwork. Like, so, I hear it, but, bruh, you've been home for a minute. Yeah, you got some crazy restrictions and stuff like that. Do I believe that you would have beat it? Personally, yeah. But did you really, really want to wait and find out and sit there to find out if that was the case? So, it ain't no telling what more evidence they was going to pop out with for Marquavius Huey, what more evidence they were going to pop out with for Jeffrey Williams. We don't know if this would have took a month. We have no idea. It could have taken probably 3 more months. So he would have went all the way into the New Year's with a chance to get out right now and staying out. Man, it's just too much of a risk, bruh. And we seen that Young Thug put on a ton of weight. We know that Young Thug basically has kidney problems. That's why he put on that weight. So, it's just too much to tell, man. It's too much to chance. Just be happy with your decision. Make the right plays, make the right moves, learn to grow, and don't worry about that regret. It's cool to say, but in my mind, I wish he never said that. I'm just going to be fair, square, obvious, and honest. I wish Lil Jeff never said, damn, man, I wish we would have took it to verdict. And I ain't going to hold you. Brian Steele was basically begging him like, man, no, we could beat this, we could beat this, we could beat this, we could beat this. And he said no. But, bro, the pressure that you was having, the pressures that you had, man, ain't nobody knowing what you going through. The people you done lost. Now, you lost a sister in there, bro. Your kid talking about your son talking about offing himself and stuff like that, man. F all that, bro. Get to your kids. Forget what the hell your regret is, man. Live with your decision. Live your life, bro. That's one thing. I wish he never said that crap. Because you just don't know. You don't know. Somebody could have seen something, and then what? Or somebody could have thought, hey, these messages and all this crap right here, I think he is guilty of something. Man, Brian Steele said in his dialogue of that text that he wasn't going to concede that the text message was even receiving messages and all that stuff. We clearly seen it was. He wasn't going to concede that the phone was actually Lil Jeff's. Man, check it out. Yeah, we'll see. Then on top of that, he basically sent out posters and then said, man, get it done and then lay low. Even though nothing happened, that's still conspiracy. You want to leave that up to chance? that somebody might believe that? Nah. You did the right thing, man. But we got to clear up something that I put out yesterday.
December 6, 2024. There has been wild speculation circulating online regarding the circumstances leading to the resolution of Fulton County criminal case against my client, Kelvin Watts. In particular, people are suspicious of the coincidental timing as it relates to the recent verdict in the YSL trial. One has absolutely nothing to do with the other. The date was set in stone a month prior on November 7th, when the court scheduled our motions along with those of other defendants in various other cases to be heard on December 5th. This resolution was the product of more than a year's worth of legal work that culminated in obtaining a favorable offer to resolve Mr. Watts' case and secure his immediate release. To be clear, Mr. Watts never gave any statements, never made any factual acknowledgments, and never cooperated with any police or other law enforcement officials in the YSL investigation, nor any other investigation. He never gave an interview to, nor cooperated with the district attorney's office at any time. Brian Tevis, attorney for Kelvin Watts.
And then I'm going to clear up some more stuff. Kelvin Watts got home this morning. How do I know? Check this out.
Woo, baby.
So we'll take the attorney at his word. No statements, no anything, no nothing like that, because obviously it would pop out. So nah, we're not going to put that on him. We ain't heard nothing. And we're going to take away the coincidence part. It's just coincidence sucks, and it's hard to believe, especially with what happened. But if we being fair, square, obvious, and honest, with 28 defendants, who knows what can happen. So there's that. I don't believe Shell Kel helped in anything like that, and we going to just take the lawyer at his word, and we going to run it that way. Because if you ain't got no paperwork on nobody, call somebody a snitch, yeah, them days is over. We're not doing that. So, welcome home, Shell Kel. Added, let me clear some other things up. He did not qualify for the first offenders. He just so happened to have that on there a couple of times, and he's not on ankle monitor, but he is banned from basically the city of Atlanta. He can drive through the 75, the 85, the 285, and I'm assuming the 20, even though the 20 is at the top part, but whatever. Anyway, it goes. Yeah, that's basically what happened with Shell Kel. Ain't a snitch, didn't cooperate with anybody. He's home now, and that's going to be that. But guess what? I hope that all this stuff, people can go their ways, because it might not be able to be squashed. I'm talking to his people. We'll see if we can do an interview with him. If not, then, hey, you ain't got to sit down and talk to me, talk to nobody, whomever and whichever you want. Do your thing. I wish you high success, and I hope you take advantage, because you're not going to get blessed like that too many times in life. What he beat out? 8 charges, and then it got down basically to 9. And I'm sorry, that's on your lawyer as far as the good lawyer work. That ain't on no Shell Kel. It does help that you don't give any statements for sure. That definitely goes a long way. Like when I tell people all the time, don't tell the police where you're coming from. Don't tell them where you're going. You may be clearing yourself in your mind. That's how it may came off. But I'm telling you right now, what you're doing is you're actually putting yourself in places, and you're fitting a bunch of descriptions just in case something happens. Now, with that being said, man, 35 years old, bruh. I hope you got your head right, bruh. I hope that time that you sat down and that you basically got a chance to sit down and not do anything, because he didn't go to prison. He basically was in jail, and we'll just go about it that way. But Shell Kel free, bruh. Young thug, man. I hope that they give you what you want, because it's clear that you miss your family, but it's even probably more clear that your kids want to be around their family as well. And you got to mix and balance with who's been taking care of your youngins. I don't know who's been taking care of them. I'm only assuming your family stepped up. But other than that, man, share to keep your people aware. Subscribe, turn the bell, stay notified. And I'll catch you on the next one.
And yeah, man, we finally gave Miss Charity the winner, the ultimate visionary winner, the 200K winner. So yeah, so there you go. There you have it. We gave her her grand. And if you want to learn how you can win a grand in the future, or learn how to win an Xbox or a PlayStation, matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and glitch it on in.
Yeah, man, we just hit 200K. We on our way to 300, man. Subscribe today so you can find out how you can win an Xbox or a PlayStation, man. The details are on the way.
This is how you know somebody is literally going to be in the drawing. Robin Minter, check him out, man. All we do is go down and we look and we see his subscriptions. Who does he have? He has Seti Nash right here. What also happens, take that off. Top commenter. That right here, public subscriber. So that's what you got to do, and make sure you share each video, and then you'll be entered to win. Shout out to Mike. Good luck.
Subscribe, turn that bell, stay notified, and share to keep your people aware. I'll catch you on the next one.